Hello, crafty friends. Yana Smakula back in the studio sharing the 13 days of Craftoween crafty Halloween crafty advent calendar from Spellbinders. We're halfway down, more than halfway actually, because we're looking at day 8 today. Now, before I look at the day 8, let me quickly remind you that I do have video tutorials for all the other days so far. I don't know if I'll be able to keep it up until day 13, but so far we have video tutorials on my channel featuring each day. So we have day 1, we have day 2, we have day 3, we have day 4, we have day 5. That one's super creepy and adorable at the same time. We have day 6, and we have day 7. Okay, let me put these aside and we can go ahead and take a look at today's surprise, day 8. Opening the box. Keep saying this every time, but I love the design of the booklets. Spellbinders did such a great job designing these. Oh, by the way, I just noticed on the box here, you kind of get a sneak peek of one of the die sets. It was that one that I just showed you for day 7. With the books and the candles and the little pumpkins. Love it. Okay, so this is our day 8. Again, what you see here is not the representation of what is going to be inside. It's just pretty design, pretty illustration. Let's go ahead and open it. Are you guys ready? Drum roll again. Da 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 da. Boom. Oh, wow. That one's kind of different. We have a skull-shaped cup with marshmallows and cute little pics and a straw and a little sip insert. And then we have a little ghost, or like little smoke shaped like ghost. Oh, and I just noticed the heart eyes on the cup. Wow, and it says cheers to spooky sips. By the way, I kind of think this would coordinate really well with the happy hour collection from Spellbinders from last year, you know, one with a martini glass and other type of glasses and all sorts of fun little inserts. I didn't get to do a Halloween glass with that collection. I did use that collection for some Christmas glasses and non-holiday glasses, but I didn't do a Halloween one. And I feel like that Halloween one was really cool. And I feel like they had some cool Halloween sentiments in that one as well. Those were probably better press sentiments. Let me go look. I reorganized recently my Spellbinders dies by collection and by date it was released. So this one was actually super easy to find. So here's my happy hour collection. I have this die set. That was a Halloween add-on. Haven't had a chance to use that one. Sentiments for the Halloween add-on. And now this is the main die set that I was just talking about, the olive martinis. This is one with the Halloween add-on. So this is the booze cocktails. We have the skeleton hand, we have the blood dripping, we have the hat, we have the bat, lots of fun stuff. I want to find the sentiments. This is a Christmas add-on. We have some stencils in here. Okay, yes, we have. So we have this is the Better Press sentiment set with the coordinating dies. And I'm trying to find a sentiment to see if there is a sentiment for Halloween. They're probably, yes, here's one, just for the booze. That's a Halloween one. So a sentiment from this could easily coordinate with these Halloween dies. That's really clever. Or you can use a sentiment from this one, from the Cheers sentiment set, if you have it, for this die set, for the Halloween one. Okay, let me keep looking, keep looking. Drink Up Witches. Here's another one. Okay, I'm going to set it aside. And maybe if there's a witch in the upcoming days, I don't know if there is one or not, but if there is, I will be able to use it on this card. Okay, cool. Let me clean up and we will be back. Here's a look at my card created using dies from day 8. We have a fun cup with cheers to spooky sips sentiment. I did not use any of the Better Press sentiments that I showed you at the beginning of this video because they did not make sense size-wise for this card, so I just stamped the sentiment that was included. For the color combo, I went with saffron. That's the color that you see in the background, and I ink blended that using Honey Drizzle ink from Alt New. This will lighten up. The ink is still wet here because I just finished this card. Next, I have chiffon. That's the color I used for the cup. And carrot, that's the cup that I used, the color that I used for the sip. I also brought in a little bit of the poppy color for the liquid inside the cup. I used brush black for the eyes, the bad detail, and the detail on the straw. I die cut 3 little ghosts, or 3 little smoke pieces, and I added 2 more bats. The bats were created using this die, so the bat die, but I simply cut the stick off and just used the bats alone. And again, as always, I finished my card, embellished it using the onyx gems from Spellbinders. I added quite a lot to this particular card because I just wanted to scatter them around. So this is day 8 of the Spellbinders 13 days of Craftoween advent calendar box. I hope you are enjoying these videos and these quick tutorials. They're not really tutorials, more like a look at the products, but I'm certainly having fun with these, die cutting, playing with different colors, playing with the Halloween supplies, and just having fun. So thank you for joining me. Appreciate you spending time with me today. Love you guys, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow for day 9.